On behalf of ExpertVillage.com, my name is Allison, and in this step I'm going to actually show you how to cut shapes. Last step, I showed you how to cut straight lines with the running pliers. On this step, when you're cutting shapes, running pliers are more for straight lines and barely a gradual curve. So this step we're going to be using what are called the Grosers or breaking pliers. First thing you want to do is you want to look at your pattern piece at all angles, and whatever you feel good about cutting, you should go with that. So anyway, I'm going to cut this inside curve first. I feel that you should cut the harder spots first and then cut the easy spots. That's the reward. So you start on the edge to edge. You come along and you just follow that pattern piece. Okay? I'm going to take off a little more glass over here before I try and take that glass off. I'm going to just barely pull my arms down, and the glass will run that score line and pop off. So anyway, whatever you do, you can only cut glass edge to edge. Okay? It's very important. No stopping and starting in the middle of the glass. Not going to work. Just do that. Cut out all your glass pattern pieces, and you're ready to go to the next step, to the grinder. So check it out.